back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most profound shifts in modern military history, how unmanned aerial systems are transforming and in many ways challenging traditional air power dominance. If you love deep dives into defense technology, military strategy, and geopolitics, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. For decades, the undisputed cornerstone of global military might has been the crewed fighter jet, multi-role aircraft costing upwards of $100 million each, piloted by elite aviators with years of rigorous training, defined air superiority. Control of the skies was maintained through stealth, speed, and high-altitude dominance. However, recent global conflicts, particularly the extensive deployment of unmanned systems in Eastern Europe and maritime flashpoints, have dramatically upended these long-held defense doctrines. Military planners are no longer asking if drones will feature in future conflicts, but whether traditional air forces, as we know them, are becoming obsolete. The primary catalyst behind this transformation is an economic revolution in warfare. Traditional air forces suffer from what defense economists call exquisite asset trap, building platforms that are exceptionally capable but so expensive that losing even a few units deals a devastating strategic blow. In contrast, modern military drones, ranging from commercial quadcopters retrofitted for frontline use to jet-powered loitering munitions and long-range surveillance platforms, offer mass and lethality at a fraction of the cost. When a low-cost drone can neutralize a multi-million-dollar armored vehicle or disrupt an entire airfield operation, the basic mathematics of military attrition fundamentally changes. Yet, replacing traditional air forces is not merely about swapping expensive jets for cheap flying robots. It is about a profound fragmentation of the air domain itself. Historically, airspace was treated as a unitary layer controlled entirely by whoever owned the skies. Today, the battlefield is sliced into complex vertical layers. Low-altitude airspace is choked with thousands of low-cost autonomous drones providing persistent surveillance and tactical strikes, rendering high-altitude supremacy insufficient for total ground control. Air forces are finding that dominating the clouds does not automatically translate to controlling the treetops or urban streets below. Artificial intelligence has acted as the ultimate force multiplier in this transition. Early military drones required constant, vulnerable satellite links to human operators miles away. Today's advanced unmanned systems utilize edge computing and machine learning algorithms to execute complex missions completely autonomously. As demonstrated by recent defense advancements and testing programs through 2026, AI-native drones can navigate complex electronic warfare environments, bypass GPS jamming, identify targets, and coordinate swarms without human intervention. This capability allows militaries to project power into heavily contested anti-access/area denial zones where human pilots would face prohibitive risks. Logistics and force sustainment have also experienced a quiet revolution driven by unmanned technology. Traditional air bases require massive, highly vulnerable logistical footprints, including fuel trucks, runways, and maintenance crews. Navigating these constraints, modern militaries are increasingly utilizing heavy-lift cargo drones, such as those recently tested by naval forces for operational ship-to-ship and remote outpost resupply. By minimizing the tooth-to-tail ratio, automated logistics drones allow ground and air units to disperse rapidly, operate from austere environments, and maintain high operational tempos without relying on vulnerable center supply hubs. Despite these disruptive trends, leading defense analysts emphasize that drones have not entirely replaced crewed air power. Rather, they are forcing its evolution. Unmanned systems still lag behind crewed fighter jets in raw speed, ultimate payload capacity, strategic flexibility, and political signaling power. Furthermore, a successful drone strike relies on a massive, invisible ecosystem of secure command networks, industrial supply chains, and electronic warfare units rather than just the drone itself. Recognizing this, major global air forces are shifting away from standalone drone concepts toward integrated high-low force mixes. This brings us to the cutting-edge concept of collaborative combat aircraft, often referred to as loyal wingmen. Programs accelerating across global defense sectors, such as the United Kingdom's recent unveiling of advanced operational prototypes like the Bronax and the United States' next-generation air dominance initiatives, Envision a future where crewed stealth fighters act as quarterbacks in the sky. Surrounded by semi-autonomous combat drones, human pilots can direct weapon releases, execute high-risk reconnaissance, and saturate enemy air defenses, while remaining safely outside the lethal envelope of modern surface-to-air missiles. The integration of human-machine teaming is fundamentally redefining the role of the military aviator. Training pipelines are shifting rapidly. Air forces are now established geopolitically. The democratization of air power through drones has lowered the threshold for conflict. Non-state actors, insurgent groups, and middle-tier nations now possess precision strike and reconnaissance capabilities that were once the exclusive domain of superpowers. This diffusion of power complicates traditional deterrence models. Major powers can no longer rely on technological exclusivity to maintain regional stability. Instead, deterrence now depends on industrial scalability, electronic warfare resilience, and the sheer adaptability of a nation's defense manufacturing base. Looking ahead, the future of military aviation will not be defined by a choice between crewed jets and unmanned drones, but by the seamless integration of both into a unified combat cloud. Satellites, cyber tools, hypersonic missiles, crewed stealth platforms, and autonomous swarms will function as a single, highly adaptive network. In this interconnected kill web, individual platforms matter less than the speed and resilience of the network connecting them. Traditional air forces are not disappearing. Rather, they are shedding their skin to emerge as automated, network-centric power projection machines. The evolution from human-centric cockpits to AI-enabled autonomous fleets marks one of the most consequential turning points in military innovation. While traditional air forces face immense pressure to adapt, their survival hinges on embracing this technological wave rather than resisting it. The militaries that dominate tomorrow's skies will be those that successfully master the delicate balance between high-end human expertise and scalable, autonomous artificial intelligence. What are your thoughts on this monumental shift in military strategy? Do you believe fully autonomous drones will eventually phase out human pilots completely, or will human-machine teaming remain the ultimate standard? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, give us a massive thumbs up, and share this video with fellow defense and technology enthusiasts.